News coming in from Uttar Pradesh. Amid violence during survey of mosque in Sambhal, Uttar Pradesh, internet has been suspended for a day. The violence left 3 people dead and dozens of people injured, including police officers and senior officials. Senior officials have stated that those who are responsible for this will be charged under NSA. So that's the latest that is coming in. More breaking news coming in from Sambhal. Security has been heightened at the Shahi Jama Masjid in Sambhal district of Uttar Pradesh following incidents of violence after a team arrived to take the survey on November 24th. Internet services have been suspended in Sambhal Tehsil for 24 hours. The district administration has declared a holiday on November 25th for all students up to class 12th. Let's in fact listen into what DIG Muniraj Ji has said.
वर्तमान में संभल का सुबह से मैं भ्रमण करके सब जगह देखा, पेट्रोलिंग करके देखा, सब शांति सामान्य है। लोग दुकान खोल रहे, लोग बाहर आ रहे हैं, अपना बातचीत कर रहे हैं। सभी लोग से अपील भी किया। सब आज हम लोग सब चेक किया, सब ठीक नॉर्मली चल रहा है। हमने आज सेक्टर स्कीम लागू किया एक प्रिकॉशनरी मेसेज के लिए। हमारा फोर्स पर्याप्त आई है। कई कंपनी PSC RAF और सिविल पुलिस ले गया। हर चौराहे पर इंपॉर्टेंट चौराहे पर हमारे सेक्टर स्कीम के अनुसार हम सब लगा हूँ। वहाँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। वैसे भी आज संभल का जो बाजार है वो साप्ताहिक बंद रहता है। हर सोमवार का साप्ताहिक बंद रहता है। इसकी वजह से कुछ दुकान बंद है, कुछ दुकान खुल रहा है। हलवाई की दुकान, ये सब चीज़ें खुल रहा है। बस ऐसे अभी तो सीधी तो सामान्य है। बाकी दूसरा आपने जो कैजुअलिटी के बारे में पूछा है, कल रात तक PM हुआ था, उस पर 3 का वो हम लोग कन्फर्म हुआ, उसके सब दफन हो चुके हैं। अभी एक 14 का वहाँ पे मुरादाबाद में इलाज हो रहा था। मुरादाबाद में इलाज हो रहा है, वहाँ से डॉक्टर के माध्यम से कुछ पता चला। वहाँ पर उसके एक आदमी के भी वहाँ पे आज का कंफर्म कर रहा है डॉक्टर साहब ने। उसके भी आज का उसको PM वगैरह कराएंगे, किस तरह के चोट है ये सब PM के बाद पता चलेगी। अब ये कवरेज भी कंफर्म कर रहा है। वर्तमान में
My colleague Chandan Bharadwaj has filed a ground report from after the incident and has spoken with some locals. Let's in fact listen in.
Reporting from Uttar Pradesh, Sambhal district, a place which was hit by a massive violence in the Sunday morning when the court commission team which was set up to do ASI is survey of the Shahi Jama Masjid in Sambhal. A large number of police personals were deployed with the team, and suddenly we saw a number of protesters being gathered. They started chanting slogans, and after that we saw stones being pelted on the UP police personals. In return, UP police personals had to use a bit force. Tear gas were fired and they were pushed back. Right now it's about to be 12 in the night, and we can see a large number of police personals deployed in the entry point of Sambhal district. You can see all the top officials of UP police gathered here. They are right now discussing how to control the situation. When we had word with these officials off the record, they said that the situation is under control and ample number of police force is deployed in the whole area, and the internet has been banned. Apart from this, the schools have been closed for tomorrow, and we can see that how vigilant the police personals are here right now, where you can see around 100 UP police personals right at the point from where the Sambhal district start. I would also like to show you the images of a lane which is right in front of me, whose electricity has been cut off due to the preventive security measures. You can see police personals right now continuing patrolling and meeting. You can see a large number of police personals being gathered at this entry point, whereas the road which is in front of me, this is the place where violence happened in the morning, and due to precautionary measures, the electricity supply of this whole lane has been cut off. Police administration and the local administration has appealed the people of Sambhal to cooperate and maintain the law and order, and not to listen to any of the messages that are not true. Be alert, be aware of any fake messages that are being circulated, and we can regularly see that number of police personals being patrolling throughout this area in the night time. Video journalist Anish with me, and I am Chandan Bharadwaj reporting from Sambhal district, Uttar Pradesh. Sambhal is the place where in the morning you saw the visuals of people pelting stones on Uttar Pradesh police, and in return Uttar Pradesh police personals firing tear gases. The whole incident started when the court commission team went up to the Shahi Jama Masjid in Sambhal to do the ASI survey. ASI survey was being done inside the mosque complex. On the other hand side, a large number of people started to gather outside the Shahi Jama Masjid mosque in Sambhal. Afterwards, while the survey was going inside the mosque, a number of people who started to gather outside the mosque started to chant slogans and started to instigate police personals. Later on, after 11 a.m. onwards, we saw the visuals of stone pelting on police personals in Uttar Pradesh Sambhal districts, and afterwards the police had to use tear gas to crab down the protesters, tear gas to push back the protesters. Right now it's about 10:30 p.m. in the night, and I am at the center point of Sambhal. I'm at the juncture where you enter the Sambhal district, and as soon as we have entered inside this Sambhal district, our phones' internet connections have been abandoned. And I need to show you one more visuals that this is the center point of the Sambhal district, or the place which leads to Sambhal, and the road which you see, a complete dark road in front of me. This is one of the main places where violence took place in the morning, where the protesters pelted stones on the police personals. And right now what you can see, what I can see is that the whole dark the electricity connections have been cut down in this whole area. Police personals, you can see in front of me, they have been deployed. Uttar Pradesh police personals are continuously patrolling on these roads that leads to Jama Masjid. The whole area is under utter silence, and when we had a word with police personals off the record, they told us the electricity connections of the road which you see in front of me. I would request my VJ Anish to show you these visuals. This is the lane which I am walking towards, and you can see in this lane there has been a complete shutdown of electricity, and it has been taken as a precautionary measure because so that people don't come outside, and all the electricity connections inside this full area has been disconnected by the local administration. What I'm being told is that a large number of police personals have been deployed throughout various points in the Sambhal district. Alongside what actually happened in the morning when we talked to the police personals as soon as we reached here was that a group of protesters, a group of infringe elements started to gather from the three sides, and after sloganing and chanting, they started to throw big stones on the police personals. 3 people have been died by the police firing that has been done to stop the protesters, to stop the infringe element, while as 20 police personals have been reported to be injured, which are under the treatment. Also, the local administration has crushed down the internet. The internet has been banned in this whole area, and along with this, the schools have been closed. Precautionary measures have been taken, and we can see police personnel patrolling throughout the night in this whole area. So here you can see in front of me, these are the UP police personals. Those have been patrolling here, and when we had a word with them, they told us that all the precautionary steps have been taken care, and the UP police is vigilant. And right now what we can see on ground zero is that the situation is, Musex is right now in Uttar Pradesh Sambhal's district, a place which was in the headlines when on the Sunday morning, a court commission team which was set up by the court to do an ASI survey of a place which is disputed. Right now, where I am, I'll show you the visuals. In front of me, the stairs that you can see, these stairs lead to the Shahi Jama Masjid of Sambhal, which is in Uttar Pradesh. And this whole complex is a disputed complex because on one hand, the Hindu side claims that it is Lord Shiv's Hariharnath Mandir, whereas the Muslim side claims that it is an ancient mosque. And to find out the truth, ASI survey of this whole place was to be done on the Sunday morning, and through these stairs the ASI officials along with the court commission team and senior officials of the local administration entered inside the complex to do the ASI survey. Around 6:30 in the morning, the survey work was going on, and later on, from 9 a.m. onwards, the whole complex that you see right now in front of me has 3 ways to enter. This is the main gate, whereas there are 2 more gates, and it is a triangular complex. You can see entry from one straight hand side where I'm standing right now. Otherwise, there are 2 more entry points of this whole place, with one which you can see in the left direction and the other one you can see is in the right direction. So what actually happens is that around 9:30 a.m. a large number of people starts to gather in the 2 areas that you see in front of me, and they start sloganeering and they start protesting for the survey that was being done inside. And after that, around 11 a.m. when the court commission team along with the ASI officials were moving out of the complex, suddenly the stones were pelted on the police personals, those who were deployed around this area. Not only on this area, but in other major areas of the place also incidents of vehicles being burned down were reported. Initially, the senior police officials that were present on the location tried to control the mob. They issued regular warnings not to take law and order in their hands, but when the things went out of control, police had to fire tear gas and had to do open firing to crump down the miscreant elements, those who were regularly pelting stones on the police personals who were stationed here. By the evening, the official data that came out reported that the 3 people have been shot dead in this incident, while as of 20 police personals have been reported injured from the stone pelting that have been done by the infringed elements. When we are reporting here at 11:30 p.m. in the night, what I can tell you is that the internet in this whole area has been crushed down. There has been a complete shutdown in the internet. Schools have been closed as a precautionary measures. Police, you can see, has been deployed all around. There are very narrow lanes that lead to this structure where I'm standing right now, and you can see that the police personals have been deployed across this whole district, across this whole area, and especially in the complex nearby where this whole incident happened. And number of police personals, you can see there have been barricades deployed all along the positions. Everyone is being checked. When we had a word with the senior officials in the area, they assured that the law and order is in their hands, and they have urged people to cooperate with the local police administration and the police officials, and not to do anything which leads to a situation that happened in the Sunday morning. So as of now, the things seems to be right. Deep, utter silence, a silence which indicates that something misfortunate happened in the morning is being sensed as soon as you enter this whole district. Utter silence in the homes, shops being shut down, and a complete curfew is being seen in this area. And I'll again show you the visuals of the whole structure that is disputed. On one hand side, the Hindu side claims it as Hariharnath Mandir, whereas the Muslim sides strongly claims that it is an ancient mosque. And there have been many statements by several political leaders about the incident, and we'll have to wait and watch that when the sun rises on the Monday morning, what are the visuals we see from the Uttar Pradesh Sambhal district. I am Chandan Bharadwaj reporting from NewsX with video journalist Anish from Sambhal.